Hi everyone, Paulo here and welcome to my channel. I thought about bumping up the content on this channel and get some creative juice flowing by mixing some honest product reviews. First off in my list for items to review is my newly purchased Philips Series 5000 Model S5466 wet and dry shaver. This is my first time to own an electric shaver, so I'm super excited to try this on. Been the traditional razor kind since puberty. So this is a rotary type of shaver, and the other most common type is the foil shaver, which I can't compare as I never owned one. So this Philips Series 5000 model specs are the following. It has Comfort Tech blades, 55,000 cutting actions per minute, 27 self-sharpening blades, a 360 degrees contour head, advanced display, and can be used for wet and dry. Alright, time to unbox. Let's see what's inside. You got the manual, a safety product information, an additional extra year warranty card. The trimmer comes separate. We got the normal charger, and then this shaver specific model comes with a cover and not a bag. Out of the box, it seems the battery is low, so it won't turn on. As for the feel of the product, it's pretty lightweight, and the ergonomic grip is made of anti-rubber material and it feels very sturdy. So we got the 360 degrees contour head. It's very flexible and follows your facial contour. To open it up, you just push this button and it will show the internals. Twisting the head pops the thing right off. Twist it back again to put it back in place. When you plug this in, it would show an indicator and it would start flashing. When it's fully charged, it would stop flashing. You get 5 minutes of charging. You could get away with one shave or 1 hour of charging to give it the full 50 minutes battery charge. It has this cool feature to lock the device. If you don't want this shaver to accidentally turn on when the button is pressed, like when it's inside a suitcase or a bag, you can press and hold the button for 3 seconds, then release. Then it would lock the unit. To release the lock, just hold the button again for 3 seconds, then release. So this is what we're dealing with. So I read that this works best with shaving gel, so I'm gonna try using shaving gel. Wow, so that took longer than I wanted to, but it did the job. So I tried the unit first with a wet shave. This is what I think about it. It feels weird that it cuts the beard and you don't really feel it, but you have to circle back a couple times to those stubborn beard to really trim it out. I may have used too much gel as the shaver seems to stop every now and then. I have to turn it back on. but I'll give it another try next week and try a dry shave. Though the actual shave is really close, feel like I use a razor shave as well. I feel that it could use a little bit more power. Might not work for really thick beards, but overall I'm happy with the purchase. So the Philips Series 5000 comes with a 90-day guarantee. If I don't like it, I could return it back. I added some links to the product if you're interested to purchase. There you go. I hope you liked this review. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.